this video, you'll be able to create a landing page like this. You can see that's what this page is. Home, about us, and the rest. Contact us. You can put your name and email and the rest. Then submit, send message. So about us, services, contact us. Create a new folder. So HTML website is my folder. Inside that folder, we'll have my images. So create a folder in that folder, which is called images. Paste your images there. These are my images. You can see I have a folder there called images. Now create a folder, create a file called index.html. Create on that one style.css in that same folder. So in my folder, I'm having a folder called images. Bring your shift 1, which is your document. Change the title to basic business landing page. Now link your HTML to your CSS, style.css. Now in the body of the work, bring your header, then nav bar. Bring a div inside the nav bar. Now give the div a class, logo, then write my brand, then UL. Give it a class of nav links. Then inside there, bring li. Want to list, bring anchor, href. Want to bring a link to our about us. So write about there, copy and paste, change this to services, change this to services. So copy and paste, edit, change the contact, change this to contact. So we want to be able to click on about us so that I can take us to about us page. Open this with your Chrome. You can see what I've done so far. Now go to your CSS, type this, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, font family, Arial and sans serif, Arial, sans serif. Then body, background should be this color code. The color should be this color. Then bring your header, color your header, background should be this color code. Color should be white. Text align should be center. Padding should be 20 pixel, 0. Refresh. You can see what I've done. Now call on your nav. Display should be flex. Justify content, space between. Padding should be 20 pixel. Align items to the center. Refresh. You can see. Alright, so copy your class logo. Dot logo. Font size should be 24 pixel. Font width should be bold. So refresh. So your logo is now bold now. So nav links, copy your nav links. Dot nav links now. Then call on it. List type should be none. Display should be flex. Refresh, you can see. Now call on your nav links li, that's listing. Margin should be 0, 15 pixel. Refresh. You can see there's a space now. So go to your style.css, nav links, anchor. So text decoration should be none. Color should be white. Font size should be 18 pixel. You can see now. I'm working on our nav bar. So after that header, so in that same header, after that nav bar, so bring on that section, give it a class, hero. So inside that section, bring a div, give it a class of hero content. So bring our H1 there, grow your business with us. Then bring a paragraph, we provide top-notch digital solutions to boost your success. Now bring anchor tag, href, contacts. So class is btn. I want to bring a button there. Get started. Now after the div, bring an image. So sroc images. So images is the folder that I put my images. You can see these are my images I put in my folder, which is images. So bring business.jpg from there. An alternative is business success. So refresh and scroll down. You can see that there's an image now, but it's not well displayed. So go to our CSS to style it. So call on your hero, dot hero. You can see this class there, dot hero. So display should be flex, align item center, justify content space between, padding 50 pixel, text align center. So color your hero H1. Display should be, font size should be 36 pixel, margin bottom should be 10 pixel. So refresh. You can see that the image is now displaying differently now. So hero img, now the image itself, so width should be 50%, border radius should be 10 pixel. Refresh. You can see the image is now well displayed now in our nav bar. So copy this btn. So that's the button. So after the header, bring on that section, give it a class, about, give it an ID, about. So bring h2, about. I want to bring on that section, which is about us. Paragraph should be, we are a team of professionals dedicated to providing high quality services for business growth. Okay. So refresh, you can see our about us beneath. So bring an image to our about us, img.src. So for my folder is images, then team.jpg. So refresh, you see that this is my image now. I brought team.jpg from my folder, which is images. So you create a folder called images and put your images there. So bring on that section, give it an ID of services. So I'll bring on that one in class services. So h2, our services. Div, give the class of services, give the class of service box, then bring an img.src, images webdev.jpg. So webdev is there. So this is about our services. So the folder is images/webdev. So bring h3, web development. Paragraph should be, we create stunning websites that drive results. So refresh, save and refresh. You can see. So subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and also check this video description. You see the images I use and the source code. So bring another div, give the class service box. So bring your image marketing.jpg. So h3, digital marketing. So bring a paragraph, grow your brand with our expert marketing strategies. So copy this and paste because we want another one again. So edit, change the image to SEO JPG, change the alternate to SEO optimization. So H3 should be SEO optimization. So the paragraph, change it to boost your website's visibility on search engines. So subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Refresh, and you will see that our service is not there. So go to your style.css, copy that button now, .btn. So display should be inline block, padding should be 10 pixel, 20 pixel, background should be this color code, color should be white, text decoration should be none, border radius should be 5 pixel, margin top should be 10 pixel. So refresh, you can see our button now, get started, has now been well decorated. So we're calling on .about us, services, and contacts. Oh, we don't have contacts yet, so I will delete this. So let's add our contact to our HTML. So after this section, bring another section, ID, contact, then class, contact. H2, bring H2, contact us. So form, bring a form. So input type, text, input type is text, placeholder should be your name. So it's required, meaning that you must fill it. So input type, email, placeholder, email, your email, required. Now text area where they can type, placeholder, your message, required, means they must put something there. If not, it will not go. So bring a button. So the button type is submit button. Class should be btn. Then the message is send message. So refresh, save and refresh. You see the text area now. You can see it beneath. Okay, after that section, bring a footer. So bring a paragraph, you can see, and copy 2025 my brand. So dot all rights reserved. So this is a copyright. So I'll add my name here, and then I'm going full stop. So you can save and refresh. Okay, so let's go to our style of CSS. This contact us now, services now, and about us, we want to column it. So dot about dot services dot contact. So padding should be 50 pixel. Text align should be center, should be aligned to the center. Yeah, padding 50 pixel, text align center. Yes. So we talked about those three. So copy it and paste again. So we want to talk about the IMG now, the image with 100% max with 800 pixel, margin top. But the image not even display well. So that means something is wrong. But we'll get back to that one later. So border radius is 10 pixel, margin top 20 pixel. So let's call on dot services dot service box. So display should be inline block, width should be 30%, padding should be 20 pixel, background should be white, margin 10 pixel, border radius should be 10 pixel. Box shadow 0 pixel, 4 pixel, 6 pixel. Then this color code 0, 0, 0, 0.1. So refresh. So copy that dot service box. So we want to talk about the images in that service box now. So width will be 100%, border radius 10 pixel. Then now talking about the form input, form text area, width should be 100%, padding should be 10 pixel, margin should be 10 pixel, 0, border 1 pixel solid with this color, border radius should be 5 pixel. So refresh. So the text area, and I can see there's a difference now. Look at our services, but it's not well displayed till now, but we'll make changes to it. Okay, so let's talk about the button. The background should be this color. Color should be white. Padding should be 10 pixel, 15 pixel. Border none. Cursor pointer. So refresh. Background should be this color. Color should be white. Text align should be center. Padding 20 pixel, 0. That's our footer. So margin top. So refresh. So we want to work on this our images now. This is how it's supposed to be, but look at how our one is. So let's work on about the images now. So the issue is from these services and about us, the images. So delete that. So it is dot about img dot service img. So that is supposed to be. So refresh. You can see that it is not displaying very well now. It's displaying very, very well now. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and also leave a like and a comment. Give me a comment on any area you don't understand and I'll be happy to explain to you better. So go to my channel to watch other videos. You can check this video description. You see the images I used and also the source code. You can leave a comment any area you don't understand. I'll see you in the next video. I noticed a particular error. Change this BO to BU button. So it was an error. So your CSS change the O to U. So save and refresh. So change the O to U. So that's all. If you like the video, subscribe and comment.